Have you ever wondered how to use sunlight in your videos to make your subject look their very best? I've been a pro photographer now for 8 years and I run a successful video production company. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick tip to dramatically improve the look of your subjects in 10 seconds. Once you understand a simple concept about light, you'll be able to do this wherever you're filming. Many of us grew up being told to stand in front of the sun when you're having your picture taken, so the photographer has the sun to their back. Right now, the sun's right up there. It's midday, right in the middle of the summer here in the UK. But look at how this sunlight makes my face look. You can see these horrible panda eyes here. There's very hard shadows everywhere. So there are two types of light. There's what we call hard light and there's soft light. Now the sun, because it's so far away from us, is a hard light source. And so it creates these horrible shadows that you can see, very hard shadows. If that sun was covered in clouds, it would be a different story. But how can we make that light look soft and even over my face on a day like today? Simply by moving into the shade. Can you see how the light changes on my face? And all I've done is walk 10 paces from where I was standing to where I am now, and we get this change in light from this to this. So remember, when you're filming outside, the sun is your light source. Now, unlike using artificial lights in the studio or wherever you are, you can't obviously move the sun around like you would do with those lights. So what you have to do is you have to move in relation to the sun and move your subject in relation to the sun to get the best kind of lighting. So just to give you some wider context, you can see where I'm standing in the shade. I was standing about 5 paces over there. The sun's coming down from there. So just by moving those few 5 paces into the shade here, completely changing the look of my face and making for a much nicer look on your videos. So now you understand a little bit more about lighting. Try to observe the light on people's faces in different situations. So whether you're outside in the sun, you're in the shade, you're inside the office under the strip lights, or you're in a factory. Think about how that light's looking. Observe the shadows on their faces and you'll soon start to get a really good idea of how you can best use light to make your videos look absolutely stunning.